Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, I've got some products that I need severely here on the Ridge. I've got tractors that need to be cleaned, side-by-sides, camper trailers, all kinds of things, and this product's gonna do it. This is Tool Daily's foam cannon. You've got to have seen the commercials on TV, the commercials on YouTube, Facebook, of them pressure washing and all that marshmallowy foam covers a vehicle, a camper RV, and then they just rinse the dirt right off. Not sure how well it just rinses the dirt right off, but we'll see if this product is up to the test. I'm also going to be using Chemical Guy's Snow Foam Auto Wash. This stuff is high foaming action, made specifically for a foam cannon. Works great, I'm told. We shall find out. Woo! Let's see what this is about. First off, let's see what comes in the box with the Tool Daily foam cannon. Open this up. First thing I see is an accessory they've given you for your pressure washer. Again, this one is not really made for a garden hose. It's more made for a pressure washer, any standard pressure washer. What they give you is an assortment of nozzles. Fine nozzles, wide nozzles. A lot of pressure washers come with these for your wand, and these are replacement ones. They look just like the ones I've got on mine. Very, very nice little feature there. Next thing in the box is actually the foam cannon itself. And it is a very simple setup. What you've got is a quick connect for your wand. It's a standard quick connect that pops on the end of your wand. You've got a dial on the top, plus and minus, that will adjust how much it sucks of the foaming action from the bottle. And then here's the wand in the front, and you can adjust wider or tighter the band of the foam going out on the vehicle. So inside, we've also got our bottle, and it is graduated in milliliters. Just screw this on the bottom. Quick connect right here. Adjust your fan, adjust your amount, and get it clean. Couple more items I've mentioned. Also in the box is the hose. The hose is fits right on the end of this nipple right here. That way when you slide it down in the bottle, you can suction the foaming agent from the bottom of the bottle. We've also got instructions. You gotta have instructions, right? Tells you things like this. The part number is the JT001-1. Shows you the whole setup, how to install the foam cannon, how to repair the foam cannon, how to replace the foam maker, how to replace the orifice nozzle, and a very, very important thing is how to keep it functional and clean. You got to make sure that you take the dial all the way to the plus and run fresh water through it at the end of each use. That keeps that diffuser, that foaming maker, functional. Got to make sure you do that, okay guys? Don't forget. For a foaming agent, again, we're going to be using the Chemical Guys honeydew smelling. They have different smells. They've got cotton candy, berry, all kinds of different things, I believe. But it's a snow foam auto wash. It's pH neutral, high foam cleansing wash, safe for wax and sealant. Made for all kinds of automobiles, RVs, campers. Won't take off that sealant. And very, very concentrated. This is a gallon, guys. This is a gallon. And I'm only going to use 1 to 2 ounces in this bottle, and this bottle lasts a long time when you're doing a vehicle. We've actually already used this on Jin's vehicle and her little car, and I didn't even use half of it on the whole car, half of this bottle. So 1 to 2 ounces of the foaming agent, and you mix it with warm water. That'll help get it all mixed up and go straight in to your pressure washer. 1 to 2 ounces, a little bit of warm water. 1 to 2 ounces isn't much, that's for sure. Don't spill like I just did. Boom. That's about 1 to 2 ounces right there, and we are good to go. A little bit of spill. Got the warm water added to that. Ooh, that smells so good, like honeydew melons. Get this screwed on there. Nice. Okay, make sure I get it not cross-threaded. Boom. Nice and tight, nice and tight. Now we're ready to connect it to our pressure washer. Connecting to our pressure washer is super simple. All I gotta do is the quick connect on the end, pop, and she's ready to go. Get our pressure washer started up. marshmallowy foamy action. I just had to dial the dial down, close the fan tip off a little bit, and listen to all that dirt being oozed off. We know it works good on a garage. Let's see how well it's working on our tractor here. We've let it ooze and foam and soak in just a little bit. Got a direct sun. It's about 85 degrees today, so it can dry quickly. But let's see if it gets it off. Look at that, guys. Let's make it pretty. All right. Mud is just oh yeah, look at that mud. That mud is just melting. Melting, melting mud. Let's get all this mud off these tires. Look at this. Just melting it away off the body, off the top. Yeah. Off this New Holland right there, old blue. Get it nice and clean. Alrighty, let's get this big old tire here. Yeah, it's melting that mud off. Let's see if we can get all this white inside here. Yeah, big old tires. All right, I used one whole bottle, spraying every nook and cranny. I adjusted the fan a little tighter so I could push that foam up in some of the crevices. I got one of the nozzles, the adapters. Got the white one here. Gives a fairly tight, you don't want too tight, rip the paint off. And let's see what high pressure does without even doing much scrubbing. I didn't scrub much at all, guys. I wanted to put this to the test. I just went around the tires a little bit, got a little bit of the blue parts. We'll see what that does. Let's start it up. Let's go. All right, that turned out pretty good, didn't it? Now this isn't a brand new tractor, guys. This is a 2012 model, okay? It's over 10 years old, got some rust on it, got a lot of action on old blue here. You can see where I didn't foam very good or didn't scrub the tires, but what I touched, it dissolved very, very well. The blue is blue, the black is black, the white is white. I'm pretty happy with this Tool Daily foam cannon and this Chemical Guys high foam action auto wash. If you're interested for getting these for yourself, again, I'll leave a link down in the description. and I appreciate all you do. If you like what you saw today and you like more product reviews and how-tos, make sure you subscribe to RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime new videos come out. And if you like homesteading, barn building, barn dominium building, log home building, go check out RidgeLife. RidgeLife, my other YouTube channel. I'll also have RidgeLife Ramblings, where I just talk about all these cool things. I actually have RidgeLife Lessons, where I do a little Sunday school too. Little lessons from Ridge. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to those as well. So until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.